Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to blog in Substack. First, go and log in to your Substack account. Once inside, on the left side panel, click on the Create button. Here, select Post. Now, you'll be taken to the editor. This is where you can start writing your blog post. You can go and add a title for it, then type in your content for your blog. Here, you can also format it using simple tools like bold, italics, headings, or bullet points. You can also insert images, links, or even embed videos if you want to make your blog more engaging. Now, you can also add a button for it, like a subscribe one, so that it will encourage more audience for your blog. Once you're happy with your post, you can now go ahead and publish it by clicking on the Continue button on the top right. Here, you can select an audience and also choose on who to allow comments from. You can also go and choose a delivery or scheduling option. Once done, click now on Send to Everyone on the lower right corner. And that's it. Your blog will now be posted wherein your subscribers or others will see it. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.